So ito yun. Taran! So guys, tara, mag-unbox tayo ng order ko sa Amazon. I have cable wire from CPU to TV monitor. I have also Wi-Fi connector. I also have Norton Anti-virus. Simulan natin. So ito yun. Yay! Yay! Let's get it on! So ito yun. Taran! Ito yung Wi-Fi connector natin. Maikli lang siya kasi malapit lang yung Wi-Fi source ko from the CPU. Ito naman yung ating antivirus. Norton Anti-virus. So we have warranty yata ito. And then the CD installer. And lastly, we have the DVI to VGA cable connector. This is from CPU to TV monitor. Para mas malaki yung monitor natin for the stock market. And then sa paggawa ng ating YouTube videos and live, this will help us. So here, this is only 15 feet. It's very near naman sa, ang CPU is very near naman sa TV. Okay. If you like more unboxing videos, please like, subscribe, and comment below this video. Thank you for watching.